Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with another one. And today, basically, I'm just going to do a breakdown of what's in my Robinhood and my Robinhood portfolio. This is going to be a pretty brief video. We'll just get straight into it. Again, just going to do a breakdown of what I'm investing into. And we all know that I use my Robinhood not really for a long term, investment. Is really kind of, I would say, maybe a year or two. Not really anything past like maybe 3 years that I'm probably planning on keeping in my Robinhood. And I'm mostly using it to do options trading and just to see how much I can rack up in profit when I'm doing different types of trading styles, like selling options and doing selling puts and all that. We are going to get into puts and options. I just want to learn more before I actually start speaking on it too much, okay? Because there is a lot that goes into puts and calls and doing options. So I'm investing $463.42. The reason mine's moved so much is because I actually have like $5 worth of cryptocurrency, and you know how volatile they are. They consistently move. I just have $5 worth of it. Just cause I think I took some profit. I think I had like 10, went to like 15. I don't even know. But yeah. So as we can see, we get straight into it. This is my Nike $110 call price with options. Basically paid, I believe I bought four of them. So I paid, so that's 4 times 5. I paid $5 for them. So for each call options, I paid five. So basically $20. And now it's sitting at, I believe, $24. So because the option is it's at 6. So as you can see, this is why I need time to make that video, because me explaining what options are just briefly, it can get kind of a little confusing. So yeah, I bought four of them. It was doing, like, this morning it was at 10. But now it's at 6. So it's okay though. I do have it till June 16th or June 19th, I believe. There we go. So then today I basically bought a Snapchat call as well, because Snapchat is actually, it's not doing too bad. Today was a pretty bearish move in the stock market. So everything was going down. So I don't blame Snapchat for going down, because everything was really moving in a downward direction anyway, from pretty much the beginning. The stock market has its patterns, man. It usually, like, if it starts on a downward trend, as soon as it opens, it's usually going to continue that. And that's why I believe you should watch out, like, how it opens, and then wait for like 30 minutes, and then you're going to know exactly what's going on when you wait that 30 minutes, okay? So right now, basically, it's in a downward direction for Snapchat, and but I did a call option, so saying it was going to go up to $19. My break even price is $19.66. So I have it till, I believe, June 26th. And I don't know for a fact, but I'm just hoping it's at 17.55 right now. I'm hoping that it gets to 19, at least like 1980 or something by June 26th. I believe it should, and I believe Nike should get to 110 by at least 100 by June 19th. So these are my brief just options breakdown that I have going on. So I like it. I went down a lot in Snap, not a lot, but a decent amount in Snapchat. I think I paid how much for this? I'm down $9. So there we go. But it's okay. So as we all know, I actually have El Dorado Resorts, or however you say it. The thing is with them, I've actually I've had them before they became newly popular and famous in the stock market. So they became relatively famous in the past couple of days because they shot up 20% in like one day. And, that was good for me. I don't want to be the type of person that tells you, oh, I've already had this, but I did already have this. I bought this at my average cost was $16. And that was a while ago I purchased it. And that's because I looked at their 5-year graph that we're looking at right now, and they had such an exponential growth, and they've pretty much been going up ever since. and just because of the virus, they went down. So it was definitely a good purchase on my behalf, to buy it at that time. One of my best purchases that I've made. Not really with too much information too. Just looked at the graph and I was like, yeah, I think they can do something. Just because of their growth, and they're opening up a couple casinos in Louisiana, and that's really the reason they shot up 20%. So as you can see, I took a profit out of $30. That's what I think I had about maybe 6 shares. I don't remember. I took $30 out just because I made $30. I was like, you know what, I might as well take it out right now just to have something. And now my total return is $72.43. And it's just going to keep going up. My plan for this is hopefully it goes back down to at least like $20 so I can buy it again. If it doesn't, oh well. I'm probably just going to invest into there little by little. But I'm not right now because people are really hyping it up. And it's at a staggering price of $32.60. If it goes down, though, I'll definitely buy some more. I'm really hoping it goes down to $20. So that's it right there. We have Flow. I purchased this a long time ago. Flowers Food, ticker symbol FLO. So it's basically they basically sell, I believe, bread and grain. They sell stuff like that. Yeah, they're bakery. So I just bought it because, it was during the whole pandemic. I'm like, I bought it before, I think, but it just happened to kind of coincide. So yeah, so basically I saw that they sell grains and bakeries and bread and all that, and I actually purchased their bread. Honestly, like I always purchase their bread, so I was like, you know what, I buy this. Why not invest into something that I actually buy? They actually have no movement really at all. Even as you can see, this is when that the virus made it drop right here at March 20th. This was like their lowest point. It only dropped to $19. So they actually haven't really been moving as bad as other companies. They really didn't drop that much. And I am above what I purchased it at 22.24, my average cost. Only return of 58 cents, but it is what it is. I like it. They didn't have a downturn, and they actually increased their dividends actually I think they increased it to 20 cents, or I believe. Yeah. So, I really enjoy them. They're really stable. They give me dividends. And I buy their bread. So why not? We could look at Halliburton. So Halliburton, I bought this originally at like $19. I really wasn't paying attention. I didn't care about the graph. My dad basically does something kind of he's an IT professional pretty much. That's what I'm going into as well. And basically, he knows about Halliburton and all that, and their company as well. But they've actually been in a recent downturn for like the past 5 years. I'm assuming it's because of oil prices and just what's going on with oil and all these negotiations and stuff, because they are an oil and gas company, I believe. So I got it at $19, and bro, I got it at 19 and they dropped so bad. Like they dropped to like $8. I was like, you know what? Let me just buy more. It is what it is. This is Halliburton. They're a huge company. They have a lot of employees. You could go down here. You can see that they have 55,000 employees. They founded in 1919, man. So, and Texas. So I'm currently in Texas. So, it's awesome. So instead of me being worried about the $19 I spent, I decided to buy 4 shares at the average cost of $8.72. I did take a $7 profit. That's why I'm down to 3.5 shares. So now it's giving me a good return. I should have bought more when it was lower, but it's all good. If it ever gets back down to like $8, I'll probably buy some more. So, yep, another decent trade, I believe. T-Mobile, I got T-Mobile, another one. Just because their dividends is great. They gave me like 52 cents. So we could go down here and check it out. Yeah, 52 cents. That's what they give me. It's pretty good actually. And I have 2 shares of it. I bought it. My average cost was $34.28. So I bought it a little early, which kind of sucks. But I know they're gonna go back up. I mean, not T-Mobile, AT&T. Okay, my bad. AT&T. I know they're gonna go back up because, just because they're AT&T. I mean, they own Warner Media. They got CNN. Trump hates them, but other than that, I know they're gonna do good. They do a lot of cellular service, and they been giving out dividends for a long time. So I am down, but it's okay with them. You can look at their 5-year graph, very ugly looking. Looks like it's been in the downturn as well. So you can look at their 5-year graph and know if you want to invest into this. So I probably won't purchase any more AT&T because I already have my dividend stock that I like the most. So that's what we're talking about. Realty Income, ticker symbol O. My favorite dividend stock because they've been giving out dividend. I made a video about this. They've been giving out dividends 597 times or whatever, and they're my favorite one because they are monthly and they've been doing this for like I don't even know like 50 years, and they haven't stopped paying their dividends. And they're still paying me dividends. Still, I only have one share of this. I did my dividend reinvestment for it. I only have one share. But that's only on my Robinhood. I actually have like 3 or 4 shares in my Fidelity. So because my Fidelity is for my long term, I just bought it on Robinhood too because I liked it. I love it. So I bought it again on Robinhood. So, they are beating the price that I purchased it at. My average cost is $51.44. They're at $51.78. Nothing too crazy, but I am at a 33-cent profit total return. So it's pretty decent. You have Geo Group, which is basically I think it's like a jail pretty much. I believe it's a real estate investment trust specialized in ownership, lease, and management of correctional detention facilities. Basically, the first stock I bought, they gave me really nice dividends. They are in a downturn, but I still like them. I really do enjoy them. So yeah, we can look at the other ones I have. So let's take a look at Wells Fargo. I bought these again just because they were on a downturn, and their 5-year chart isn't too bad as well. So I mean, it's obviously lower than what it used to be, but it's pretty consistent. They did take a huge hit from the virus. I like their dividends as well. My dividends pending for June 1st for 51 cents. I think I only have one share of this. I might do a put on this or some kind of options on this. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, I am down like $3.52 because I did buy it at my average cost of $27.94. But it's okay. Their banks they'll probably go up eventually. Okay, so we're down to my last but not least, Ford. I got this for free when I first signed on to Robinhood. I don't really care about Ford. I just let it do what they got to do. So it's been going up, though, actually. They've been at a pretty low position before, but, it's been actually going up little by little. So I give it to Ford. I'm not going to take it out. Robinhood gave it to me, so I might as well just leave it in there and see what happens to Ford in a couple of years. So, yeah, pretty nice. This is my entire portfolio. As you can see, or Orlando Resorts, whatever El Dorado Resorts is, my top. Definitely love it. And that right there is my $463.64 portfolio. Hopefully my options go up and everything. And this is just on my Robinhood. I do have almost like a $750 portfolio on Fidelity. About to reach my 800 goal, and I'm gonna get to 1,000 on there. And eventually I'm gonna start selling puts and calls on my Robinhood when I get some more money eventually, and I'll show you guys all that too. But yeah, this is pretty much shit I have on here. I'm not really trying to buy any more stocks on Robinhood, I don't believe. So that's pretty much it. If any of these goes down, I'll probably buy them some more. But other than that, oh yeah, my $5 Bitcoin. But other than that, that's it, everybody. If you have any questions or anything, just comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. This is my whole portfolio for Robinhood, and see you guys later.